Come on, mate, be patient. Hey, 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 hey. Go the proper side, you clown. Good morning, sir. I hope you be lucky. Should be good today. Sorry?
What do you do here? You sit in the
The people are going to go on the wrong side here. I'm going to walk out and stop them.
Okay,
Yeah, to take a shortcut. Bad drivers. There's 3 of them waiting to go. The only reason they're not going is this guy. Have a good day, my friend. Naughty. Wrong side. Go on the wrong side, take a risk. Imagine you're crossing, which way would you look here? I come and stop them. I have no idea what he said. Didn't sound very friendly. I left one for WVG. And we have 745 AD. What are you doing on the wrong side, mates? Come on. Can't stop him. I can't stop him if he fell off. There we go. One of these will go any second now. There we are. No one's arguing today. Good morning, thank you. I love the tortoise. LP17LDY. WV67DXP and P018 UTY. Morning, sir. Be lucky. Morning, sir. Be lucky. Hard not to be on a day like today, right?
What?
Hard not to be lucky on a day like today.
You can't get stuck in some bad place.
All right. Not much fun in this traffic, huh?
I've been 4 hours driving.
Sorry?
I've been driving for 4 hours.
Sorry, man. I'm very glad I'm using a bike and not a car.
Oh, yeah.
Where are you from? Do you mind me asking?
Kenya.
Albania. I'm neither Dutch but from Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe.
Really mixed up, huh? Sorry? Sooner or later, one of these people are going to skip the queue and go on the wrong side to turn right.
Ah, yeah.
And I'm the guy who puts them on YouTube and reports them. Yeah.
I think, yeah. I've seen one of your videos. One or two.
With the doctors in the blue dress.
I don't know. I don't remember the car exactly, but I think I've seen it definitely.
I'm sure. Oh, you have a good day. I hope it gets better for you and you don't get stuck too much. It's terrible, man. Well, anyway, enjoy your day if you can. Well, she looks both ways. Can't do anything. Here we go. Good morning, sir. Be lucky. Hope you get lots of business and not too much traffic. That's Echo Golf 19 X-ray Lima Bravo. Very bad driving.
Smiling.
Before every meal, upon waking up, and occasionally on going to bed, and often before or after exercise. Yeah, more than, sometimes more than that. You know, it just depends on how often I eat and snack. I generally have at least one snack in a day and 3 meals, so that's 4 times, and usually sometimes I'll do one extra depending on, you know, how I feel when I wake up, or if I'm exercising particularly heavily that day. No, I tend to have about 1 to 2 a week, which is around about the guideline. Because my sugars have been running quite high for a while, as you've seen in my records, I'm reasonably sensitive, and I'm usually correcting around the sort of 4.1, 4.0 time. I'm always aware, never had any uncontrolled hypos or unnoticed hypos. Sometimes they're quite strong. I mean, I've had sort of a 2 point something before in recent time. You know, sometimes they come on very strongly if I've been exercising a lot, and you know, if I happen to be particularly sensitive to insulin that day. Yes. So what I usually do is I will drop my basal rate for the period of exercise, and maybe half an hour to an hour before and after. and if I eat within about 2 hours of the exercise, then I will make that about a 50% bolus. That's usually okay. What's hard though is that my body has quite a lot of seasonal variation with temperature and sunlight. So yes. Yes. The Dexcom. That's magic. I'm definitely keen on waiting. I'm also interested in closing the loop to some degree, if possible. Even if that ends up... No, you go. No, I do realize, but I'm also a year out of warranty already on this pump. Yes. Yes, yes. I'm open to any recommendations, and I'm not in any rush because I'd rather we did the best possible choice, given that things are changing a bit in the next couple of weeks or couple of months. I've also got a fairly extreme adventure happening in May, in that I intend to take my bike to Switzerland and ride the length of the Rhine back to the Netherlands. So I do like my exercise, yes. Not that I'm particularly extreme, but you know, I think that will be an interesting challenge on the pump. I think I can handle it though. I'm not lacking in confidence with the chance of doing that. I have thought about it, but at a few years ago, 7 or 8 years ago, I spent quite a bit of time at Dr. Gallen's clinic in Bucks. So you know, and with Alistair Lum and so on. So I have a reasonable idea of exercise at the moment. Not perfect by any means. No, thank you. Yes. Yeah, that's great. I'm happy to wait out for that and see how it all goes. I can go and get one. Thank you. No problem. I think I'm due one round. I was due one, but I haven't had one recently.